Hi guys, welcome to week 8 of a renovation that we're project managing. This is Avon Drive. Now unfortunately due to the lockdown, we've not had the opportunity to do many video updates on this one. And there's been some delay due to materials as well. Just the standard stuff really, more than anything. Yeah, so we're going to turn the camera around and then actually it's going to do a walkthrough and let us know what's going on with this project. All right, let's turn it around.
Let's do it. So what I'll do is, as this is going to be the first sort of public walkthrough, I'll just walk you around and sort of tell you guys what we advised the client, what we thought would be best, what the client went with, and the works that we're going to do to the property. So step in with me. So this property started out as a 4-bedroom property. It had a large sort of kitchen diner that ran the length of the property on that side, and it's got the lounge which runs the length here, which is staying. So first of all, what we actually decided to do is we moved the kitchen. So the kitchen units were all here. This was a kitchen diner. We've actually decided to move the kitchen from this side to that side. And you will see the reason why. This room is going to be one of the bedrooms, so this will be bedroom number 1. Just behind you two there is just a WC, so nice and handy for people that are downstairs, you know, the people that are going to be in the kitchen diner, etc. Step into here. So as you can see, we have finished the first fix electrics and we've also finished the first fix plumbing. So kitchen units are going to be spread around here, and this is going to create a kitchen diner. Now you can see the reason why we moved the kitchen diner from that side of the property to this side is because we have got this conservatory here. So pretty nice conservatory. It's actually really warm here today, so we decided it would be a bit difficult. We didn't want to lose it. If we had used this side as potential bedrooms, then the council have already informed us that for this particular property, they wouldn't have counted this as livable space. So it would have been a waste because essentially only one of our tenants would have been able to sort of get out into this area to use it. Yeah.
And it's a really nice space, this as well. It's actually done pretty well.
Yeah. So we'll walk you through here to second bedroom. So this will open out onto the back garden. So again, pretty straightforward. All the bedrooms in this property, bar one, are single bedrooms. And also what we've done is, if you step in here, you can see that we've tried to be creative with the space, and we're actually going to make a shower room out of this here. So you can see the plumbing's been done already, so shower room there. So downstairs you've got 2 single bedrooms on one side. You're going to have a large kitchen diner which leads onto the conservatory, and then outside onto the back. If you follow me upstairs, so nice little area here where we can put vacuum cleaners, mops, ironing board, etc. Just little things for the tenants to use. So top of the stairs, this is one of the bedrooms. So again, size-wise, single room. It's about 8.5 square meters. So it will do the job for what the investor actually wants to do. And as you can see again, all first fix electrics have been done. This property is fairly decent. What we've had to do is we've actually chased the electrics, so we haven't gone back to brick on this. So we've chased the electrics. As to mentioned earlier on, there are some delays with multi-finish. So we wait for that to sort of start finishing up as well. Another single room here. So again, pretty straightforward single room. We've not had to do anything structurally to the rooms up here. So this is how they were originally laid out. This is the biggest room in the property, so this is a double. So we say we've got 5 singles and 1 double. So again, you can see there where we've done the plumbing for the kitchen diner, which is going to be downstairs now, so we've moved it from one side to the other. Fairly straightforward shower room, which we're just going to update slightly. We're possibly going to put a little bit of new tiling in there, but touch it up with some paint. In here was where this is the final bedroom. In that area there was where the old water tank is. So this wall is going to come out to open up this space, again, it will be a single room. Actually, once we get rid of the wall, probably open it up a little bit more. It might feel a bit like a double room. So, for this property, investor initially came to us and was and ahhing whether they wanted to go professional HMO route, whether they wanted to go support accommodation, or whether they wanted to go SA, service accommodation. So, it's still, I think it's still deciding. The investor's actually still deciding what the final scheme will be, but he actually decided on this layout. So yeah, this property is a fairly straightforward refurb for us. A lot of it's just going to be cosmetic, apart from what you can see with the wiring and the moving of the kitchen from one side to the other. The only structural works we've really done is just put a stud wall in, which I don't even really think you can class that as structural works anymore. So stud wall down there in the old kitchen to split up the rooms to make us 2 rooms. So we're going to have 6 bedrooms, a large kitchen diner, a conservatory. We're going to have 2 shower rooms and 1 spare WC.
Yeah, I think the main challenge was actually the room size, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And the layout.
Yeah.
That's why we had so many single rooms. And a single room is basically in a room that's not 10.2 meters squared, or it's less than 10.2 meters squared, really. Okay. Again, hopefully that's been helpful, and we'll see you guys at the next one.
All good.